Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's December 5th, 2025. This is one of my picks of the litter. I picked this machine out to sell. This is John Deere 245 GC or the GLC machine. This machine's got a little over 8,000 hours. We'll show the hour meter. It's set up with a JRB quick coupler. It's got Ox hydraulics that was added to the machine. You got the top con set up on it as well. Not sure if the top con all works, but you can see the modules there on the stick and the boom. And yeah, it's a nice machine, guys. It's had very little operating time on the tracks. It's got 110 hours on the actual operation on the tracks. It's got 5,000 actual operating hours. It's got out of the 8,000. We'll show that in the description and the photos. But I love these machines because it's a zero turn, and they're a good size machine. You can do a lot of street work and do your zero turn work and have all the power you want. So John Deere really did a good job on these machines. Anyway, we'll show you the track pads, the undercarriage real quick. Show you what we're working with here. Good undercarriage on the machine. Oh yeah. Pins are still round, not rounded off. Obviously, like I said, it's only had 110 actual operating hours on that undercarriage, according to the computer. Here's the VIN plate here, ending in 0602, and they installed that kit in 2016 on that auxiliary hydraulic kit for the auxiliary hydraulics. It looks to me like they've done a lot of JD or John Deere maintenance on this machine. And I see these stickers all over it, and that usually does indicate that. Here's some of that top con system it's got, you know, on the machine. It looks like it is set up to run a thumb as well. I'm not sure if it's had a thumb on it before or not, but it could have possibly had a thumb or maybe a hammer on it at some point, but it hasn't had a whole lot of hammered hours on the machine. So it's got the hydraulic JRB quick coupler on it. All the cylinders are clean, guys. Looks good on that. We already walked around it. Now we'll show you the hours, then we'll go to the engine. So here's the cab, guys. Normal wear on the seat, as they always have. 8,300 hours on it, so not very many hours. Got the backup camera on the rear there. There's our JRB quick coupler set up. I'm not going to mess with that today, but it does have it there. Now we'll go ahead and show you the engine. That Isuzu they put in these machines. All the sheet metal's clean up here, guys. Runs really clean. No blow by. Runs good. Not trying to push that cap off at all. Now I can't get it back on. There we go. Alright. So, engine runs good. All the DEF equipment's still here. Or all the emissions equipment is still here, guys. As you can see, hasn't been torn up here. They've also added this, I'm not sure what kind of valve that is here. Maybe it's a crossover valve or a flow back for the Ox hydraulics. They've really taken good care of this machine. From what you can see, all the cylinders are in good shape. So the only thing left to do now is just to give you guys a quick little video of this machine and see it operating. Then we can go from there. All right, guys, without further ado, take a look at this beautiful 245 GLC excavator. All right, guys, as you can see, everything runs and functions as it's supposed to. I'm not gonna go into taking off the bucket and all that for the sake of time here, but it's all set up, it's there. It all should work as it's supposed to. This was a nice, clean, maintained machine, so I would think everything on this machine would probably work mechanically. But it really is a clean, straight machine. The sheet metal straight, hasn't been torn up. I would say probably a pipeline company or somebody like that owned it at some point and took good care of it. But without further ado, guys, if you're interested in this machine, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855 deals for our toll-free number, guys. Again, this is on the John Deere 245 GLC excavator. Thank you.